Most people spend their entire lives trying to make money. They work hard, they earn salaries, they try to save something. But even after years, many still feel financially stuck. Here's the surprising part. It's not always about how much you earn. Some people earn a lot and still struggle. Others earn less and quietly build wealth. So what's the difference? Structure. Wealth is not random. It's built using a system, a blueprint. And today, let's break down a simple one. The 5 pillars of wealth. Income, to control, to investment, to assets, to time. Part 1. Income. Everything starts with income. Income is the engine. Without it, nothing else works. But not all income is the same. There are 2 types. Active income. You work, you get paid. Salary, freelancing, consulting. Asset income. Money comes from what you own. Investments, business, digital products. Most people focus only on earning more, but the real goal is this: turn income into assets. Because income is fuel, but assets are the machine. Part 2. Control. The second pillar is control. This is where many people fail. They earn well, but money disappears. Why? Because as income grows, lifestyle also grows. Better house, better car, more spending. This is called lifestyle inflation. Wealth builders do something different. They plan their money. They don't just spend first. They allocate living expenses, savings, investments. Control is not about cutting everything. It's about using money with intention. Part 3. Investment. The third pillar is investment. Saving money is important, but saving alone won't build wealth. Investing is what grows money. This includes stocks, index funds, real estate, businesses. The goal is simple: let your money grow over time. And here's where something powerful happens: compounding. At first, growth feels slow, but over time, it starts accelerating. This is why early investing matters, because time makes growth stronger. Part 4. Assets. The fourth pillar is assets. Assets are what create long-term wealth. An asset is anything that puts money into your pocket. Examples: business, real estate, investments, digital products. Here's a simple rule: assets make you money. Liabilities take money away. Many people confuse the two. They buy expensive things, thinking they are building wealth. But true wealth comes from owning income-generating assets. Over time, multiple assets create multiple income streams, and that changes everything. Part 5. Time. The final pillar is time. This is the most ignored factor. Everyone wants fast success, but real wealth takes time. Time allows investments to grow, assets to mature, income to compound. Small actions repeated over years create big results. Wealth is not built overnight. It is built slowly, but powerfully. Conclusion. Wealth is not about luck. It's about structure. Income leads to control, leads to investment, leads to assets, leads to time. Each pillar builds on the next. Income creates opportunity. Control protects it. Investment grows it. Assets multiply it. Time strengthens it. When all 5 work together, you don't just earn money. You build a system. And once you have a system, money stops being stressful. Because now, you are designing your financial future.